ng ating mga install ng mga CCTV camera and particularly ito sa ating installation ng mga cameras for handicap. And unfortunately there are cases na nagkaroon na tayo ng death cases. So it was the first incident was happened on July 20. Then June 20, I mean. So, nireport natin sa police, we coordinated the Makati Police. So, ang Makati Police naman ay nag-respond din naman at fortunately, on the following day, magnanakaw ulit at they were reporting the act. So, nahuli nga dito itong tatlong tao na si Vincent Montier. Ito si Vincent Montier, 28 years old, from Barangay Guadalupe, Nueva Viejo, Makati. So, tigaron lang within the vicinity. Isa naman ay si Michael Teodosio, 20 years old, na tiga Mandaluyong, Barangay Abisolis. Yung isa ay isang babae na si Darwina Literal. Mukhang magkapit bahay lang itong dalawa, si Teodosio and Literal.